Good morning, students. Today we will learn question number 1, 2 and 3. Let's start question number 1. Answer the questions. A. Who was Bhola? Bhola was a farmer. Why was he sad? He was sad because his 4 sons always quarreled among themselves. What did he do? He asked his sons to break a bundle of sticks. When could the sons break the bundle? The sons could break the bundle when it was untied. Question number E. What did the father say to them? The father said, "My sons, unity is strength. It is a great thing indeed." Come to the next question. What is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is unity is strength. Question number 3. Cross out the word which is not the same. So you have to find out the odd ones from this line. Okay. Let us start. This is father. This is also father. This is farmer. This is also father. So this is farmer. Cross this word. B. Sun, sad, sun, sun. Sad. Sad is the odd one. So cross this. Stand, stick, stick, stick. Stand. Stand is the odd one. So cross this. D. Bundle, bundle, bundle. Break. Break is the odd one. So cross this word. Okay. So student, I have done these answers for you. Do these questions in your copy. Okay. Hope today's topic is clear. See you in the next class. Bye bye students.